Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out my video. So today we're checking out this little portable power station. It's from a company called Jackery, but it is a Honda official licensed product, and it actually matches the color scheme really well. If you've ever been familiar with the Honda generator line, I've got an EU 2000 myself that I take a lot of trips, which is great, you know, like super efficient, low noise gas generator. But this thing for just lightweight camping trips, it only weighs about 6 pounds. So pretty portable, and I'll even show you. I've used it on a nice long 3-day trip, charged up a cell phone, a couple different cell phones multiple times, an iPad a couple of times, ran LED lights at night, and that's all it used. Good display too with input and output. So you can plug a solar panel up to it. It's got USB, 12 volt for both charging or for powering stuff up, AC power as well. Really cool. Now, you know, it's 110 volt with a 20 watt max. I doubt it would run a coffee pot or anything like that, but a lot of 12 volt stuff or 110 volt stuff it would run. You see some specs back here. Like I said, about 6.6 pounds. Still very portable. All kind of ports. It's a good product. I'm going to put a link down below, so check that out if you want to order one of these things. You get them right off Amazon. Really awesome. It also comes with all of the cables and stuff that you need. You know, so just your like 110 volt power, 12 volt power cable, stuff like that. You know, cigarette lighter type plug. Pretty cool. Now I bought, to go along with it, I bought a solar panel from this company, Rock Pals. I'm going to put a link to this product down below too. And it's pretty cool. Comes with all of the connectors and everything like that. I'm going to set that up real quick and show you how good it charges. Okay, so as you can see on here, that is giving us a 60 watt worth of charge coming in. And it would also show how much output I had. So if I had a cell phone going on there, for example, it would be pulling about 5 watts. So it's pretty cool. I'm going to let that chill. Now this is supposedly, you can see how big this panel is. It's got 4 panels right there. Now I could try to tweak it. I mean, you can see how I got it in the shadow a little bit. I could try to prop it up more, which I might try to do a little bit. I've tried several different times. I've never been able to get it more than about 70 watts coming in. But hey, you know, it's free, 60 watts coming in. I'm going to leave it out here for a couple of hours while I go do some projects, and we'll see how well that does. I'm going to try to modify it a little bit. Fooled around with it, and now it's actually doing less. So I'm just going to leave it be. But anyway, we'll come back in a few hours and see how much that is. You can see it's at a 72% charge right now. It actually was at 71 when we started, so it already went up 1%. We'll see what a couple hours does. Okay, let's check this thing out. So I had it underneath there to keep it from getting too hot. And that is a good tip with anything like this. This thing sitting out in the direct sun would really heat it up a lot. And so I just put it underneath the solar panel and used it to help block the panel up where it caught more light. So anyway, it's been about probably 2.5 hours that it was sitting out here with about 60 watts coming in. And as you saw when we started the video, it was at what, like 71%. So, you know, 2.5 hours to charge roughly 30%. You can do the math. That would be, you know, about 6, 7, 8 hours, depending on, you know, getting a little bit of overcast during a typical day. So yeah, it would take all day long for that solar panel to charge it up, but you're probably not going to be charging it from 0 every day. You know, I think you could get a lot of usage out of this thing over the night with running some lights, charging up a radio, things like that. You can also charge your phones and stuff like that up during the day while it's taking in power, and this will totally get you through the night. and you know, maybe only use up to 50%, even if you're using a lot of lights and stuff. So I think it's great for what it is. Again, I'm going to put a link down below to where you can buy both of these products if you're interested. You can get them off Amazon. You know, if you don't like it, return it, no big deal. Anyway, I'm going to take Sweetie for a boat ride, so I'll see you guys later. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button. Why not? It feels good. Most importantly, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later.